Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson will look at the application of simple combination logic gates through relays in electrical sequences. Check the logic gate part on the right side of the screen. There are two input buttons PB1 and PB2, and there are GL, RL, YL lamps at the output. There is an AND gate and an XOR gate below it and an OR gate in front of the RL ramp. Combination logic circuits can be configured by users in various ways. When push button PB1 is pressed, the RL and YL lamps light up. And when push button PB2 is pressed, RL and YL lamps light up just like when PB1 push button is pressed. However, there is a difference that when push button PB1 is pressed, the lamp is turned on by relays RY1 and RY4, and when push button PB2 is pressed, the lamp is turned on by relays RY2 and RY4. When both push buttons PB1 and PB2 are pressed, only the GL and RL lamps are turned on. GL, RL, YL lamps are turned on and off by each given gate input. First, we will check the wiring and operation of each circuit. In addition, you can check the output according to whether or not the operation is performed through the time chart on the right after operation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Release the button. PB2. Input off. Wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Release the button. PB2. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB2. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Release the button. PB2. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.